So this is the first time I'm trying to open this camera, and it says new in camera, capture outside the frame, see and capture the area outside the frame of the photo or record a video to improve composition. New shutter button, tap and hold the shutter to record a quick video. Drag the shutter to the left for burst. So you're gonna hit continue. So let's test out real quick. And press and hold. Oh, that's cool. So you press and hold and then slide to your right. It's recording. As you see the countdown for the timer. And then you can press this button on the right hand side. And then swipe it to your left and it will stop. So that's cool. In case you're taking a picture and something emergency come up, you could press and hold and then swipe it to your right. So this is a one time right now, or you can have a 0.5, which is ultra wide, and then 2 times, that'll be the telephoto,